Animo, animo, Forest Lake, a better place. Tara na, sama ka, step by step, Gina. Gawa na, may pangarap, may plano. Dito sa Forest Lake, ituloy ang bago. Animo, 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 animo. Forward tayo, let's go. Forest Lake, a better place.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Forest Lake Osario's first General Assembly. It is wonderful to have all of you with us today.
Saan tayo i-grow yung Forest Lake, magtutulungan tayo, tumutulong din kami sa inyo, para sa makatulong kami sa inyo pang-araw-araw, sa hanap buhay, extra income yan. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa paglalaro dito.
Forest Lake in the memorial industry in this country is the #1 developer in the entire country for the past decade or so. Thank you for ensuring that Forest Lake made the right decision to be here in Rosario, Batangas.
Once again, good morning, Forest Lake Rosario! These distinguished individuals have not only met but exceeded the expectations, and we commend their outstanding performance.
This company is going to last for at least 200 years. We will always be #1 because we are going to keep on trying hard. At nakikita na natin dito sa Rosario, talagang magagaling yung mga taong na-recruit natin and a lot of stars are coming out. Forest Lake is gonna take the lead in the Memorial Park development to show you what can be done by Filipinos like us.
We will take care of your loved ones. Ibigay ko pahiya, keep it really proud, and they are going to get a resting place that they deserve. You can be proud of the quality that you're delivering. We promise you they will continue to improve, if at all, better service for the state, because we owe you to our loved ones.
This is just the beginning of our journey to 500 million sales. We are Rosario's finest. Dedicated hearts, powerful results. Forest Lake, here to serve.